If you're searching how to buy shares of Taylor Devices Inc., this quick guide explains the basics. Taylor Devices makes industrial energy absorption and hydraulic damping systems, and it trades on NASDAQ under the ticker TAYD. This is an educational overview, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with an ID, and add funds before you can place a purchase. Use the platform's search box and type the ticker TAYD to find Taylor Devices Inc. quickly. Select the matching NASDAQ listing to open the correct stock page. On the stock page, review the company summary and the price chart to confirm you have Taylor Devices Inc. Make sure the market label shows NASDAQ and the ticker reads TAYD. To invest, tap Buy. Enter the amount or number of shares you want. Then carefully review the order details and any fees before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued for the next session, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before the purchase completes. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For a direct link to eToro and more details, check the description below.